Hi everyone, this is Kamel. Today, let's dive deep into aspect ratio and how it affects a video. If you're into this, keep watching. We've made some tutorials about black bars and shared that adding black bars can give videos a cinematic look. This is because the black bars bring changes in the aspect ratio. There isn't a standard aspect ratio in filmmaking. Actually, one film may contain different aspect ratios. So what are the purposes of changing the aspect ratio? Why do we use different aspect ratios for one film? Let's dive into this. If you want to get some black bar footage for getting different aspect ratios, feel free to get them from the Facebook group listed in the below section. Firstly, let's have a look at what is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio refers to the ratio of width to the height of an image. Simply divide the height by the width, and we can calculate the aspect ratio. To take 16:9, which is one of the most popular aspect ratios as an example, divide 16:9 to get 1.77. So the aspect ratio of 16:9 is known as 1.77. This is also how common film aspect ratios such as 1.85:1 and 2.35:1 come from. After getting to know what is aspect ratio, let's explore how it affects a film in 3 ways. Widescreen brings us a wider field of view. A film in widescreen can fill most of our field of vision. Whenever we want to make the video feel immersive or we want to show a wide field, widescreen aspect ratios are perfect picks. Besides, widescreen videos usually look cinematic. Because most modern films are created in widescreen format. 1.33:1, also known as 4:3, was the standard aspect ratio for films. It's because 4:3 is the standard frame aspect ratio for a 35mm film. That also explains why old TVs are squared shaped. 4:3 is no longer the only standard over time. However, it leaves us with strong impressions. So 1.33:1 frame often invokes feelings like aged, vintage, and memory. Actually, we've used this to show you how to make retro-style videos. You can click on here to have a watch. Aspect ratio can help establish mood and setting. The human visual field extends through an angle of about 155 degrees wide, which is wider than a 4:3 frame. Nothing shows on the left and the right sides of the frame. Lacking parts of the field of vision brings people the fear of unknown and a feeling of depression. Many suspicious films use this trick to create an atmosphere of terrifying, depression, and danger. In contrast, widescreen often brings us the feeling of relaxation, relief, and enlightenment. Surely, we can combine wide and narrow aspect ratios. For example, we can use a narrow aspect ratio for this part to recall the memory. Switch back the wide aspect ratio when getting back to the present. This can help us set the atmosphere for our video project. Last, I want to share with you a set of aspect ratio footage we made. They are easy to use. After downloading the footage from the Facebook group, drag the preferred clip into the last overlay track and select it. If you want to customize the ratio for it, you can select Crop. Choose Custom and make adjustments to achieve the desired look. That's all for today. Feel free to visit our homepage to find more tutorials for making tons of fancy effects. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can get notified as soon as we post any new content. See you in our next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!